Daily, we look at the skies in awe, seeing aircrafts fly above us. But what really makes such a heavy engineering masterpiece fly? A jet engine. How jet engines function. A single jet engine can generate enough power to push a massive aircraft into the sky. We're talking about thousands of kilograms of thrust, from nothing but air, fuel, and fire. But how does a jet engine actually function? Welcome to Circuits and Crank, where we break down the engineering behind powerful machines. Today, we're diving into one of the most incredible inventions in modern engineering, the jet engine. Section 1. Air intake. Everything starts with air. As the aircraft moves forward, air is pulled into the front of the engine. This air might seem harmless, but it's the key factor that makes everything possible. Section 2. Compression. Once inside, the air enters a section filled with rotating blades called compressors. These blades squeeze the air, increasing its pressure and temperature. Think of it like packing more and more air into a smaller space. This makes it much more powerful when it's ignited. Section 3. Combustion. Now comes the explosive part. Fuel is injected into the compressed air and ignited. This creates a powerful combustion reaction, producing extremely hot, high-energy gases. Inside the engine, temperatures can reach over 1,500 degrees Celsius. Section 4. Exhaust or thrust. This is where the magic happens. The hot gases expand rapidly and shoot out of the back of the engine at extremely high speed. According to physics, when mass is pushed backward, an equal force pushes forward. This is what we call thrust, and it's what propels the aircraft forward. Section 5. Continuous cycle. What makes jet engines so powerful is that this process happens continuously. Air flows in, gets compressed, ignited, and expelled over and over again. This creates a constant stream of thrust that keeps the aircraft moving. Interesting fact, some jet engines are so powerful that standing behind one during takeoff can be extremely dangerous due to the sheer force of the exhaust. So, even though jet engines may look simple from the outside, inside they are performing a highly complex and powerful process. It's a perfect combination of airflow, pressure, combustion, and physics working together. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Circuits and Crank, where we explore the technology behind computers, electronics, supercars, and aircraft. And in the next video, we'll break down another powerful system that drives modern technology.